Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Uber Eats gift card. So let's get into the video. So open up Uber Eats and log into your Uber Eats account. So once I've logged into your Uber Eats account, so what you're going to do, if you want to use your gift card, so you're going to add your gift card to your Uber wallet. So what are you going to do, add this your gift card balance to your Uber Cash. So to do that, go to your account, hit on your accounts tab here. So when you get to your accounts tab, select wallet, and then when you get to wallet, you'll see an option called Uber Cash, and a gift card option here. Simply add on the plus gift card option here. Then now enter the code of your Uber Eats gift card. Just add it and then hit on save. So when you add it, then the gift card balance would pop up here. So you will have your balance transferred to your Uber Cash. So once you're done with that, so now all you have to do is simply make any order and go to the checkout session. So simply select whatever you want to order, and then once you're done with that, go to your checkout. So this, for example, here I'm going to use this, and then go to checkout. So hit on your checkout and then scroll down, and underneath when you get to the payment section, click on the payment option here, and then all you have to do is select the Uber balance instead of your other payment methods. Select the Uber balance, as you have already added your Uber Eats gift card to your Uber balance, and that's how you're going to use your gift card on Uber Eats. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.